Farm Animals, What Do You See by Miss Kaye, inspired by the story Brown Bear, What Do You See by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Spotted cow, what do you see? I see a playful pig looking at me. Playful pig, what do you see? I see a woolly sheep looking at me. Woolly sheep, what do you see? I see a clever chicken looking at me. Clever chicken, what do you see? I see a waddling dog looking at me. Waddling dog, what do you see? I see a bouncing bunny looking at me. Bouncing bunny, what do you see? I see a fluffy goat looking at me. Fluffy goat, what do you see? I see a happy horse looking at me. Happy horse, what do you see? I see a feathered rooster looking at me. Feathered rooster, what do you see? I see a trotting donkey looking at me. Trotting donkey, what do you see? I see a friendly farmer looking at me. Friendly farmer, what do you see? I see a spotted cow, a playful pig, a woolly sheep, a clever chicken, a waddling dog, a bouncing bunny, a fluffy goat, a happy horse, a feathered hen, and a trotting donkey looking at me. That's what I see. The end. And that's the story of Farm Animals, What Do You See by Miss Kaye, inspired by the story Brown Bear, What Do You See by Bill Martin Jr. and Eric Carle. Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. Pictures by Eric Carle. Brown Bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, yellow dog. What do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. The end. And that's the story of Brown Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. Pictures by Eric Carle. Polar Bear, What Do You Hear? By Bill Martin Jr. Pictures by Eric Carle. Polar Bear, what do you hear? I hear a lion roaring in my ear. Lion, what do you hear? I hear a hippopotamus snorting in my ear. Hippopotamus, what do you hear? I hear a flamingo fluting in my ear. Flamingo, what do you hear? I hear a zebra braying in my ear. Zebra, what do you hear? I hear a boa constrictor hissing in my ear. Boa constrictor, what do you hear? I hear an elephant trumpeting in my ear. Elephant, what do you hear? I hear a leopard snarling in my ear. Leopard, what do you hear? I hear a peacock yelping in my ear. Peacock, what do you hear? I hear a walrus bellowing in my ear. Walrus, walrus, what do you hear? I hear a zookeeper whistling in my ear. Zookeeper, zookeeper, what do you hear? I hear children growling like a polar bear, roaring like a lion, snorting like a hippopotamus, fluting like a flamingo, braying like a zebra, hissing like a boa constrictor, trumpeting like an elephant, snarling like a leopard, yelping like a peacock, bellowing like a walrus. That's what I hear. The end. And that's the story of Polar Bear, what do you hear? Panda Bear, what do you see? By Bill Martin Jr., pictures by Eric Carle. Panda Bear, what do you see? I see a bald eagle soaring by me. Bald eagle, what do you see? I see a water buffalo charging by me. Water buffalo, what do you see? I see a spider monkey swinging by me. Spider monkey, what do you see? I see a green sea turtle swimming by me. Green sea turtle, what do you see? I see a macaroni penguin strutting by me. Macaroni penguin, what do you see? I see a sea lion splashing by me. Sea lion, what do you see? I see a red wolf sneaking by me. Red wolf, what do you see? I see a whooping crane flying by me. Whooping crane, what do you see? I see a black panther strolling by me. Black panther, what do you see? I see a dreaming child watching over me. Dreaming child, what do you see? I see a panda bear, a bald eagle, a water buffalo, a spider monkey, a green sea turtle, a macaroni penguin, a sea lion, a red wolf, a whooping crane, and a black panther, all wild and free. That's what I see. The end. And that's the story of Panda Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr., pictures by Eric Carle. Baby Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr., pictures by Eric Carle. Baby Bear, What Do You See? I see a red fox sleeping by me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a flying squirrel gliding by me. Flying squirrel, what do you see? I see a mountain goat climbing near me. Mountain goat, what do you see? I see a blue heron flying by me. Blue heron, what do you see? I see a prairie dog digging by me. Prairie dog, what do you see? I see a striped skunk strutting by me. Striped skunk, what do you see? I see a mule deer running by me. Mule deer, what do you see? I see a rattlesnake sliding by me. Rattlesnake, what do you see? I see a screech owl hooting at me. Screech owl, what do you see? I see a mama bear looking at me. Mama bear, what do you see? I see a red fox, a flying squirrel, a mountain goat, a blue heron, a prairie dog, a striped skunk, a mule deer, a rattlesnake, a screech owl, and my baby bear looking at me. That's what I see. The end. And that's the story of Baby Bear, What Do You See? By Bill Martin Jr. and pictures by Eric Carle.
Please subscribe.